Namaste and Salam Sajatra, and welcome to yet another episode of Asha's Spice Box. Today we are going to be making Kampung fried rice from Malaysia. This in most parts of the world is called Nasi Goreng. Nasi means rice and Goreng means fried. So we have fried rice. And this can be eaten at any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, for snack. So here, let's take a look at the ingredients. We have oil, we have garlic, onions, chilies, green and red, sambal paste, salt, pepper, chili, soy oil, some soy sauce, vegetarian oyster sauce, ketchup, red capsicum, carrots, green zucchini, spring onions, coriander, iceberg cabbage, and 2 cups of rice, which I made a day before. So always old rice is good for fried rice. And to make this village fried rice, we need to turn the heat on. Put the flame a little bit on medium high, then put some oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then we add in some garlic, let it get toasted and brown, not too brown. Then add in some onions, let it get a little bit brown. Then to quicken the process, you add some salt. It cooks faster. And add some sambal paste, about 2 tablespoons, some salt, maybe some pepper, a little bit of soy chili sauce, chilies, some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, a little bit of ketchup. Then we add in the vegetables. We have the capsicum, the carrots, the zucchini, some soy sauce. Now we add in the rice, toss it up, let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on high flame, and voila, ladies and gentlemen, you have your lovely fried rice from Malaysia. If you like this video of the nasi goreng or the fried rice, please hit the like, share and subscribe button and keep watching. See you next time for another yummy recipe, and bye-bye.